Did you know? Your smartphone's touch screen doesn't actually feel your touch, it detects tiny electrical changes from your fingertips. Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the world of engineering? Let's get started. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of capacitive touch sensors and how to use them effectively in various projects. These sensors have revolutionized modern technology, enabling seamless interaction with devices through touch. You'll find them in smartphones, tablets, and smart home devices, enhancing user experience across the board. We'll break down how capacitive touch sensors work, their advantages over traditional mechanical switches, and how you can integrate them into your own projects. Plus, we'll look at real-world applications, like building touch-sensitive interfaces for DIY electronics and home automation systems. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of capacitive touch sensors and how to implement them in your own innovative designs. Gather your components to set up your capacitive touch sensor. You'll need 1. A capacitive touch sensor module to detect touch inputs. 2. A microcontroller, such as an Arduino, to process sensor signals. 3. Jumper wires to connect components. 4. A breadboard for easy assembly and testing. Make sure to source high-quality components from reputable suppliers to ensure reliable performance. Connect the sensor to the microcontroller. Once you have your components, it's time to wire them up. Identify the pins on the sensor module. 1. VCC connects to 5 volts on the microcontroller. 2. GND connects to ground. 3. Out connects to a digital input pin to receive touch signals. Proper connections are crucial. Incorrect wiring may cause malfunctions or no response at all. Check the provided visual diagram for reference. Install software and libraries to program your microcontroller. Install the Arduino IDE from the official website. Once installed, 1. Open the Library Manager in the Arduino IDE. 2. Search for the required capacitive touch sensor library. 3. Click Install and restart the IDE if needed. If you run into issues, ensure your IDE is up to date and restart it if necessary. Write and upload the code. Here's a simple code snippet for basic touch detection. CPP. Upload the code to your microcontroller, open the serial monitor, and observe the touch readings. You can modify this code to trigger LEDs or sounds when touched. Test the sensor. Power your setup and touch the sensor module. If everything is working, you should see changes in serial monitor values. If not, double check. 1. Your wiring. 2. The uploaded code. 3. The pin configuration. 4. Sensitivity settings in the code. Advanced applications. Once you master the basics, try building touch-sensitive lamps, interactive displays, or smart home controls. Get creative. You could even design a touch-sensitive music player or a gesture-based interface. Explore more ideas on Arduino forums, Instructables, and YouTube tutorials. The possibilities are endless. In this video, we covered white tick mark, how capacitive touch sensors work. White tick mark, connecting them to a microcontroller. White tick mark, installing necessary software and libraries. White tick mark, writing and uploading the code. White tick mark, testing and troubleshooting. White tick mark, advanced applications to spark creativity. Understanding capacitive touch sensors unlocks endless possibilities for innovative designs. So go ahead, experiment, build, and innovate. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Tech Blueprint for more clear and practical engineering content.